This is Marcelo OJ and top 10 best car sounds of all time. As you can see, this Aventador in front seems like one of the best. BMW M5. My brother will totally agree with this. He loves BMW, especially the M's and especially the M5. Okay, that sounds awesome. I like the way the gear shift noises. Okay, yeah, that I have to agree. That is hard to find. You can find cars that are way faster, way better at performance, but don't sound the same. LFA. I never heard an LFA. Okay, that does sound awesome. Check the wheels. You know when something goes so fast it looks like it stops and then it goes the other way. You can even see it with the fidget spinner. Okay, that sounds if someone told you that a Ferrari, I can bet anything most of you guys would have believed it. Jaguar F-Type. You can compare this, it's like the Jaguar version of a Benz GT. Or the previous version, SLS. Did you hear that? This guy's just showing off. Yeah. Check. Not as good as an Audi, but still sounds really good. Sorry, sorry, I'm back, and I'm sorry I keep getting these interactions. Can't tell what this is. Let's see. It's an F-Type. Didn't recognize it there for a second. Yeah, it sounds good. Let's see the next one. Aventador, like we saw on the thumbnail. This has a deeper sound. You hear that? From deep to high that quickly. You don't get that often. That's actually quite rare to find, but see someone in this car behind you, you're gonna be intimidated. Just move out the way. That'll make everything more simple. Supra. I'll be honest, I don't know much about Japanese cars. Don't know what a Supra is. But it sounds nice. But not like nice like sports cars, but like nice like a 2004 Need for Speed Underground game nice. Oh, it's this thing. Not bad, not bad. Ferrari F12. Novtech. I like this, the way it looks. It's like the way it's simplified but also looks so elegant, complicated, cool at the same damn time. That makes everything so cool about it. Benz 63 AMG C63. Oh, this is an old one. It's an old video. Just wanted to see when it came out. That was good. Did you see the tire marks to the left? Man, a nice deep. Golf R. Oh, this is really old. But Golf GTI and Golf R are known for the cheapest, best sounding cars. Cheapest, best sounding cars. By that I mean affordable to most people. Not something like a sports car you have to save up for. Carrera GT. Do you hear the woo woo? Woo woo? Sounds like it goes fast. Oh, the skyline. I'll be honest, I'm not impressed with the skyline. Yeah, again, it's like an old car. Everyone's seen it. It's not impressive. So, I'm sorry, still not impressed. I'd still bet many more cars on it, not only sports cars. But it's also not bad. I like the way it flies. But after the flying, it like slows down. It has a quick launch, but it doesn't have consistency. It gets slower. Look, look. And I promise you, it's not as fast. If you're racing a car, this will have a start ahead, but...
You're so great at it.
Shh. Sorry, even I keep getting interruptions. It's so damn annoying. But I can't do anything about it. Moving on. Think we're on a Nissan Skyline. Go already, see? In fact, it sounds fast. It didn't move fast. Normally a sports car would be like... guys, no. Remember to subscribe to me. Yes. So, thanks, guys. Please, thanks, guys. Peace. Bye. Please like, subscribe.